If you've ever wanted to start gaming on Steam but don't have a PC handy, good news. You can create a full Steam account right from your mobile device in just a few minutes. Today, I'll walk you through a foolproof, step-by-step method that works on both Android and iOS. Stay with me, because I'll make this process super simple and you'll be ready to use Steam by the end of this video. Let's start with the very first step, installing the Steam app. Just open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Steam. Make sure you choose the official Steam mobile app from Valve, then go ahead and install it. Once the download finishes, tap to open the app. Now, inside the app, tap Learn More About Steam. This will open a web page inside the app where you can begin the account creation. Scroll down until you see the option that says Don't have a Steam account? Tap on it to continue. You'll now be asked to enter your email address twice. Steam automatically detects your country, but you can adjust it if needed. After typing your email, complete the quick CAPTCHA check, confirm that you're 13 or older, agree to Steam's terms, and then tap Continue. At this point, Steam sends a verification email to your inbox. So now, open your Mail or Gmail app and look for the message from Steam. Once you find it, open the email and tap Verify My Email Address. This step is important because your account won't activate until your email is confirmed. After verifying, return to the Steam app. You should now see the final setup page where you can create your login credentials. Choose a unique Steam account name, something that isn't already taken, then set a strong password, retype it to confirm, and tap Done. And just like that, your Steam account is officially active on your mobile device. You're now ready to explore the store, browse games, check out community items, and start your gaming journey right from your phone. If this guide helped you create your Steam account smoothly, make sure to hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.